Hey everyone, Brock Black Design. What we want to show you is the 23.5 Road Glide inner fairing speaker grills and how to install them. Basically, when you get the grills that you get from us, whatever design that may be, it is a plug and play system. We do use the OEM clips and gaskets, but we'll show you how to remove them, install them, and if there's any issues or anything of that sort, we'll flush through that today. So here we go. And let's get started. Thank you. Okay, this is your OEM speaker grill. What you're going to see, what you want to do is you want to start where the clips are at. The clip is located here and here behind the speaker grill, and you want to lightly put a non-marring tool in between the grill and the fairing. Pop it out. Also on this side, do the same thing. You really need to be careful on this side. If you go against it, you may break it. So gently, lightly put it in there and then kind of work your way to the top of the speaker grill and then pull it out. And then basically you have your speaker grill removed, and we'll go from there. Okay, after the grill has been removed, the OEM, what you want to do is remove the gasket and the clips, the OEM clips. These are glued in a little bit, so you will have to tug on them a little bit. Just try not to rip it, because we are going to reuse it and put it onto our grills and basically make sure it's sat down into each pocket correctly. As you can see, it is an OEM fitment. Then you'll want to take the clips and place them down onto the clips here. Now, one thing you need to be aware of and make sure is that when you do sit this down in there, that it does clip into the hole so it fastens into the fairing and doesn't come out. Now, by chance, if this is not seating down in there very well, one of two things you can do. You can put a little bit of glue on there to make it stay on there, or adjust the clip top of it so it sits down in there, or the hole, one of the two if needed. Most of the time it will not. It's a plug and play, but these are manufactured and can every once in a while have an issue, but very rarely. So what you want to do is you want it until you get an audible click and it clips down in there, and tug on it a little bit, make sure it stays on there. From there, we then put it into the grill. Okay, so you have your new speaker grill all set up. You have your clips on there, you have your gasket on there. Now what you want to do is you want to start from the bottom and up. So you want to make sure you put these clips down into the bottom, line up your top part and your outer part, press over the top of the clip, not anywhere else, just over the top till you hear an audible click, and there you go.